So what we have here is we've got the rear toe arms, and then we got the stock toe arm, and then we got the lower control arm that's in the front of the rear. That's kind of complicated, but there we go. So if you look, I thought maybe the toe arms might end up being adjusted differently. So I marked them how they were adjusted and which side's which, but they look pretty much the same. They're about 1/8 of an inch longer than stock, not very much. So we're gonna remanufacture a new one, and we'll center the adjustment on an 1/8 inch longer center. Here's the lower control arm front, and these are pretty much identical. And here's the stock one, and it looks like it's about 1 inch longer. So again, we'll do the same thing, using one of these as the adjuster, and we'll set it about 1 inch longer with the adjustment in the middle. So we'll work on that for the next few hours, and hopefully we'll have an update at the end of the day today.